بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم.
شروع اللہ کے نام سے جو رحمان و رحیم ہے.
اقرأ بسم ربک الذی خلق.
پڑھو اے نبی اپنے رب کے نام کے ساتھ جس نے پیدا کیا.
خلق الانسان من علق.
جمے ہوئے خون کے ایک لوتھڑے سے انسان کی تخلیق کی.
اقرأ وربک الاکرم.
پڑھو اور تمہارا رب بڑا کریم ہے.
الذی علم بالقلم.
جس نے قلم کے ذریعے سے علم سکھایا.
علم الانسان ما لم يعلم.
انسان کو وہ علم دیا جسے وہ نہ جانتا تھا.
Assalamu alaikum, dear parents and my dear student of BCS. Welcome from my side and from my school side as well. I will start my class with the name of Allah. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Today I am going to teach you unit number 27, composition, chapter 58 and 59, essay and story. At first we will talking about the essay. How to write an essay. You know, there is too much confusion in my mind and in your mind as well, that how to write an essay, what is its way of. Okay, if I give you any topic, you will try to write essay on this topic, but you don't know its recipe. If I give you any other example, such as I told you that make the biryani, until you don't know the recipe of biryani, how will you make it? So today I am going to teach you that way of writing an essay, how to write an essay. Now come to the first one point. Question is that how to write an essay. First, pick a topic. You may have your topic assigned. Pick a topic. You may have your topic assigned. What is the, I gave you at first, you should think topic, whatever, which topic you like, you may think. And you may have your topic assigned. Assign means transfer something. Just suppose that if you choose any topic that I want to give an essay on topic of school. So at first, how to deliver something related school. As I told you, the assign means that transfer something. So give some passing positive remarks related school. Now come to the another. Prepare an outline or diagram of your ideas. Means prepare some sort of outline and diagrams, whatever your ideas is that. So you must know about your idea. Write your thesis statement. Now what you will do? Write your thesis and statement. Thesis means ideas or story. Write your thesis, your story and your ideas, statement, whatever you want to give in it. Now come to the 4 point. Write the body. Means that you must know that what sort of essay you will convey. You mean the body of that. Write the conclusion. Do you know what is the meaning of conclusion? That if you are given an essay, so write the conclusion. Last part of essay, you will define something perfectly, that whatever is essay is your, that is, suppose that you choose your topic, whatever you choose, such as water, you have chosen the topic on water, you are giving your essay on water. So at the end you will define related the water, last part of water, that what should I say, that its advantages plus its disadvantages as well. Now come to the 6th point. Write the introduction. You must, if you choose a topic computer, so other people don't know what is computer, so you must know on your essay that what is computer. Just suppose that there is a man who comes from the village. Does he know about the computer? No, he doesn't know. So what you will do? When you write an essay, you must give the introduction about your topic. If you choose a topic of computer, so you must know what is computer. Tell us or tell others as well that what is computer. Give the introduction of this topic as well. If I have chosen a topic of computer, I must know what is computer. First I will tell that computer, it is an electronic machine. It was invented in that one era, and I must know. So this is called the introduction. Now Question number 7 points. At the finishing touches, what you will do at the end, you will tell everything, means you are gonna finish it. So how will you finish it? It means that you highlight some greatest point whenever you finish it. So and then your essay will be complete. So I hope you have known that how to write an essay. Like pick a topic, you may have your assigned. As I told you, meaning the assigned transfer something, that you chose the topic of water, computer, etc. Whatever your topic is there, prepare an outline or diagram of your idea. Means if you are making something, if you give an essay on computer, so you will make a diagram of it. And third one, write your thesis statement, means ideas and theory related this topic. Write the body and write the conclusion. As I told you about the conclusion, last part of it, write the introduction, tell what is it, what is computer, what is water, and at the finishing touches. Okay, now class, come to the how to write a story. You know, if you write a story, do you know that how to write a story? As I gave you the example of biryani, if you make the biryani, until you don't know the recipe of biryani, how will you make biryani perfectly? So similarly, if you make an essay or if you make a story, if you don't know its tips, so how will you make it? Now I want to tell you that how to write a story. Do not use supernatural characters. Do not use supernatural character, means that there are supernatural character like ghost, witches. These are not available in this world. Talking about those character which are available in this world. If you use, if you talking about that I saw somewhere and I saw the ghost, and my friend lives somewhere and her home has lots of witches. So these characters are not available with that. So in my first point, that do not use supernatural character. Okay, now come to the another point. Do not make it long. If you want to write your story, so make it short. In short way, convey your message properly. If you make 2 pages, 1 pages or 3 pages, it becomes too much long. It doesn't look perfect. Just convey your message within few lines, like 6 lines, 7 lines, it's enough for you. If you make too much prolonged, so the person who is checking your copy, he or she doesn't give you high X remarks. But if you make it within 7 lines or 8 lines, it looks perfect. You will be given high X mark. But convey your message perfectly, whatever you wanna say in it. Okay, now come to the third one point. Avoid spelling mistake. You know, there are lots of students, this is their habit, they always make lots of spelling mistakes. Whenever the person who is checking your copy, when he or she takes out your mistakes, so they cut your remarks. If you want to get high X remarks, so avoid spelling mistakes. Remember all spellings, whatever story on your mind, in your mind, whatever topic you have related to your story, at first take out its correct spellings. So never ever make spelling mistake. If you write absolutely perfect story, but from starting till end you make lots of spelling mistakes, so you will be given very cheapest remarks. If you want to get high X remarks, so as I told you before, never ever make spelling mistakes. Now come to the fourth one point, logical sequence of events. You know, talking about logical things, do not talking about useless thing that it happens or it happens, talking about the logical thing which people like most. There are many people, they always talking useless thing. If you want to get high X remarks, so talk about the logical things. Logical things, sequence of events. Sequence means one by one, correct? Now come to the fifth one point, well-defined character. Means characters are something such as any doctor, engineer, teachers, or you are talking about the any simple man, so he or she must be responsible, sincere with his or her duty. If you are talking about any watchman or any gardener, okay, you can take them, but they must be sincere and punctual, and you know, they must be sincere. So talking about the well-defined character who are responsible and sincere with their duties. Proper conclusion. As I told you the meaning of conclusion before when I was making you understand a related essay, that conclusion means is last part of your story or essay. Give absolutely proper conclusion. At the end it seems that it has been end up and it's a perfect end of this story. So I hope you have gotten that how to write a story plus how to write an essay as well. Okay, now do all copy work from solution which you have been given. Okay, so I have told you in my this video that how to make an essay and how to make a story, and what you will do in your homework, do all copy work from the solution. Take out your solution. I have given you your topics and you can write, but I have given you the tips that how to write an essay and how to make a story as well. If you want to make your own words, so you must try. Through that way you will improve yourself. Okay, now talking about the channel book, today I will teach you unit number 6, chapter number 3 in the city. What we will do in this topic now, at first come to the words and phrases. Take out your book, page number 46. What we will do, words and phrases, look and label, then listen and check your answer. First, up. Second is empty. What you will fill in this fill in the blanks, down. Now talking about third word, 2 words. Fourth, around. Fifth, through. Sixth, from. 7, to. 8, into. And last one is out, out of. Now come to the reading. Look at the picture and read the heading. What do you think you can do at SeaWorld Orlando? Read the text and match the heading AD with the paragraph 1-2. What you will do, at first you will listen very carefully reading, then you will match that A is reserved D, and what we will do B. Okay, now let's start the reading. First, don't miss our famous animal shows with killer whales, dolphins and penguins. You can see all this incredible sea animal up close. Take a trip to Atlantis and visit an exciting mythological water world. Don't miss an exciting water roller coaster ride. So what will I put in it? A. I put D because B belongs it. B belongs that thing, do, see and do. So I put in it D. Now talking about the question 2. Are you hungry? There are 9 different restaurants to choose from at SeaWorld for something different. There is the Aloha Polynesian dinner and show with traditional Hawaiian music, dance and exotic food. So what will I put in it? We will put C. How do you get there? Okay, now talking about 3. Events there at SeaWorld are fantastic on New Year's Eve, but you can organize a party here too for groups of 30 to 300 people. Have an undersea birthday party with sharks swimming above and around you, or maybe a buffet dinner with 200 penguins as an extra guest. So what will I put over here? B, because special events. Now talking about 4. It's 10 minutes from the center of Orlando at SeaWorld. Go down, take exit number 72 towards Cape Canaveral. Take the B-Line Expressway, turn right into Orangewood Boulevard, turn right into Gate Avenue. 4. What will I put? C. How do you get there? Okay, now. There is a one listening. Page number 47. 2 people are talking while driving to Lisa's house. Listen, look at the map and draw the route the people follow. So what you will do? You will listen very carefully. Then you may correct Lisa's home perfectly. How will you recognize Lisa's home? At first you will listen my listening script very carefully. Then you will know that how we can reach Lisa's home. Now I am start my listening. Listen carefully. Then you can reach Lisa's home. Peter. Right, Debbie, this is Brighton Street. where do I go now? Debbie, you turn right somewhere. Peter, here? Debbie, no, that's Bleecker Street. Go past Bleecker Street. Peter, okay. Debbie, there should be a petrol station somewhere here. Peter, there it is. I turn right there. As you see that at go Brighton Street, then turn right. Okay, Debbie, yes, I think so. Peter, well, it's too late now. I did. Debbie, is this Prince Street? Peter, no, it's Finch Street. Debbie, oh no, it's okay. Though, turn left here into Bristol Street. Peter, right. Debbie, not right, left. Peter, I mean okay. Debbie, oh sorry. Now the next one is Prince Street. Prince Street. Peter, do I turn right there? Debbie, no, turn left. Can you see that cafe? Peter, yes. Debbie, well, turn left there into Prince Street and Lisa's house is on the left. Peter, now I remember. So have you known the Lisa's home? Although I have given my solution, but I want to make you understand, you can do it yourself, that how you can reach Lisa's home by listening script. It will come in your exams as well, so that you can understand. Now come to the another question, speaking. Look at the map above and complete it with names of different places, then work in pairs. Just imagine student A and B, they are discussing something with each other. They want to know something, address or something else. Now come to the page number 47. Question B, where can I go? Is there a museum in your city? Now what will be A reply? Why don't you go to the art museum? B, that's good idea. How do I get there? A, go down Brighton Street and at cafe. Now make your question yourself. Where is petrol pump? It is in front of restaurant. Or where is the cafe? It is behind the school. You know, make your question and give your answer yourself as well, so that you will know many things from your own side as well. I have told you about the listening script and speaking and reading and words and phrases. Today we discuss these topics. At first we discuss words and phrases, reading, listening, then speaking. I made you understand that how can you reach Lisa's home. Then I told you about the speaking, that imagine two students A and B. They are discussing about the address, that where can I reach a museum or where can I go to petrol pump. So imagine yourself that I am a student and there is another student who is a student B. We are discussing something in English. We want to know the address of somewhere, such as police station or cafe or wherever you want to reach. So you people are discussing this thing. You want to go to museum, you want to go to art museum, so you want to know the address. We discuss this thing in it, and we discuss about reading as well, that what should we put 1, 2 and 3 and 4. We have discussed each and everything. Now same thing you will do as I given you in grammar book, that do homework from copy solution. Do all homework from given solution. Do homework from do all homework from given solution. Whatever I gave you in my solution, take out it and start doing in your copy. It's first semester final term last video. I hope you enjoy a lot my video. Bye for now. Allah Hafiz.